All right, let's talk about something that sounds a little crazy. Going from just an idea in your head to a finished, sellable ebook in less than 7 days.
Yeah, I can practically hear you thinking it right now. An entire ebook in a week? No way. And look, I get it. It sounds, well, impossible, right? Almost like one of those too good to be true things.
But here's the secret. It's not magic, and it's not about being some kind of super writer. It's simply about having a plan. A really good, really clear, actionable plan.
So let's just dive right in. We're calling this the 7-Day Ebook Challenge. I want you to think of this less like a marathon and more like a sprint. It's a focused, step-by-step system for turning what you know into a product you can actually sell.
And this right here, this is our roadmap for the week. See how we've broken it down? Day 1 is research, day 2 is the outline, and so on. We're taking this huge, scary idea of writing a book and chopping it up into small, totally manageable daily tasks. Each day, you have one job. That's it. It's how we go from zero to launch without losing our minds.
Okay, before we even hit start on our 7-day clock, there's one rule. This is the big one, the most important thing you'll hear today. Your ebook absolutely must solve a real problem for a real person. It's not about writing what you think is cool. It's about finding out what your audience is desperate to know. That's the secret to an ebook that actually sells.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty, starting with days 1 and 2. This is all about building a solid foundation. And notice something really important here. We are not writing a single word of the book yet. Not one. This is all about strategy.
So on day 1, you put on your detective hat. You're going to go to places like Reddit or Quora or even Facebook groups in your niche. And you're literally just looking for the questions people are asking over and over. You know, the how do I do this? Or I'm so stuck with. Those questions are pure gold. They're basically your future ebook titles handed to you on a silver platter. Then, day 2, you switch gears and become an architect. You're just building a skeleton, a simple outline of your chapters. This is what keeps you on track and stops that dreaded writer's block from ever showing up.
Okay, foundation is set. Now for the fun part. Days 3 through 5, this is where the magic happens. We're officially in the creation phase, turning that solid plan into an actual book.
Days 3 and 4 are all about one thing, writing. I mean it. Phone off, email closed, just focus time getting your ideas out of your head and onto the page. Don't worry about it being perfect, just write. Then, on day 5, you get to put on your editor hat. This is where you clean things up, check the flow, and then get it formatted. You've basically got 2 main choices here. PDF, which is kind of like a digital piece of paper. It looks the same everywhere. Great for guides with lots of images. Or EPUB, which is what things like the Kindle use. It's flexible and adjusts to any screen size, which is perfect for text-heavy books.
And here's a huge piece of advice for your writing. You are not trying to win a Pulitzer Prize here, okay? Nobody's expecting Shakespeare. Your one and only job is to be helpful. That's it. So be direct. Keep your language simple, and just talk to your reader like you're having a conversation. Use real-world examples. Make it feel like you're a friend guiding them through something.
So the book is written, it's edited, it's formatted, we're almost there. Day 6 is all about getting it ready for the world. It's not enough to just create a great product. You have to package it in a way that makes people want to buy it.
Let's be real. We all judge a book by its cover, so your cover has to look good. But the description, that's your sales pitch. And here's the secret sauce. Don't talk about what's in the book, talk about what the book does for the reader. Don't say, this book has 10 chapters on budgeting. Say, finally take control of your money and stop stressing about bills. It's not about the features, it's all about the transformation. That's what sells.
And we've made it. Day 7. This is the big one. This is launch day. All that work is about to pay off. Today's the day you hit publish and start making your very first sales.
And the best part? You don't need some fancy, complicated website to do this. There are amazing platforms out there that make it super easy. You've got Amazon KDP if you want to tap into that huge Kindle audience, or you've got places like Gumroad or Payhip, which are perfect for selling directly to your followers. They handle all the boring stuff, the payments, the file delivery, so you can just focus on selling.
So what do you actually do on launch day? It boils down to 3 simple things. 1. Get your book uploaded to whatever platform you chose. 2. If you have an email list, and I mean even if it's just 20 people, you send them an email letting them know it's live. And 3, you get on your social media and tell everyone about it. That's how you get that initial wave of interest.
Now, if you really want to kick things into high gear, you can pour a little fuel on the fire with some paid ads.
Think of it as a shortcut. Instead of waiting for people to find you, you can use Facebook or Google Ads to put your ebook directly in front of the exact people who need it most. It's a fantastic way to accelerate your results.
So there you have it, a step-by-step plan to take an idea and turn it into a real sellable product in just 7 days. It's totally doable, which really just leaves one question left for you to answer. What's the one problem your ebook is going to solve?